really can't stay. I've got to go away. This evening has been so very nice.
I'll hold your hands there just like
and Mother will start to worry, and Father will be pacing the floor. So really I better scurry, but maybe just to have a drink more. The neighbors might think, say, what's in this drink? I wish I knew how to break the spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks swell.
I ought to say no, no, no. At least I'm gonna say that I tried. I really can't stay. Oh, but it's cold outside. I've got to get home. Say, lend me your coat. You've really been grand. Why don't you see?
How do you do these things to me?
There's bound to be talk tomorrow. At least there will be plenty implied. I really can't stay. Oh, but it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside.
Ho, 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 ho. Wasn't that beautiful, boys and girls? Santa loves to hear all the talented children of Windsor, Essex County. Now remember, I know when you're sleeping and I know when you're awake, so be good for goodness sake before Christmas Eve. Thank you for tuning in to TV Kojiko's Sounds of the Season. Oh, ho, 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 ho.